Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Going to show you today something that was sent to me by Redline to use and try. I have places I do want to use this and tests I do want to do with it, but I haven't got time to do them. We got early snow here in Pennsylvania and it's still laying around here, so got that to contend with, and I didn't get to some things I wanted to get to yet. Hopefully here soon. So with saying that, without further ado, let's go and see what I got. So I guess today we could call this the magical table of tool. That's the only one tool we're going to discuss today. And it is the Redline Diagnostic Leak Detector. This one, I was told, is the 3C, and it has a part number of 95-003/Charlie, designed, engineered, and built in the US of A. This is actually a Smoke Pro Total Tech Diagnostic Leak Detector, and like I said, it's made by Redline. So we're going to hook it up just to see how it works and not really use it on anything at the moment, because unfortunately I just don't have time to use it on anything. So let me see how I got you in the picture here. What comes with the kit is you got your smoke producing fluid, you got your hex key to open up this port back here where you put your smoke producing fluid in, which I already filled up. And then what comes with the kit is you got your Schrader connector here. You got a tool to take your Schrader, the inside valve out, the guts of it as I say. You got that. You got a light that you can hook up to your 12-volt source also to use to help you find the leak when you're doing it. And what they include now is they include the Easy Intake Bladder, which has a part number of 95-0082. So this is now included, where you can actually pump this up into your intake, snorkel to block it off. And they also give you assortment of other pieces here to block off wherever you need to block off to do your test. So with saying that, let's hook up and we'll see how this works. So to use it, we're just going to hook up to our battery on our vehicle here. And we're just using this vehicle and its battery because it's the one that's actually in the garage here for some other work, which you may see a video on soon. But we're just going to hook it up. And there it turned on. So then we're going to push the button up here and the red light will come on. I think you can, I don't know if you can see those. There's a green light here and a red light on the other side. The green light came on for power. The green light came on for power. And there's the red light on that it's starting to make smoke. What I forgot to do was plug my shop air in, which this has its own regulator on it. Okay, so we pushed the button and now we're starting our 5-minute smoke. So as you can see, she's smoking pretty dang good. Wow, I can't wait to try it out on something. That's how simple and how easy this Smoke Pro Total Tech 3C, I'm pretty sure it's 3C, works. So lots of smoke. I can't wait to use it out and actually use it on something. Pretty straightforward. So the other thing we'll do is we'll look at the light here. It shows a pretty decent amount of light. I'm sure if you're looking for a leak it would certainly help. But that comes included with the kit. Hopefully in the near future here I'll be able to actually put this tool to use, and once I have time and things get slowed down a bit, I'm going to do that. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic, just saying, remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See ya.